In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print timeline on Asana. We'll move through this step by step so you can get a clean, shareable copy of your project's timeline in just a couple of minutes. First, open your web browser and head to Google. This makes it easy to start fresh and get to the right place quickly. In the search bar, type Asana. You're looking for the official Asana site that takes you into your workspace. Click the Asana website result to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and sign in the way you normally do. Once you're in Asana, locate the project whose timeline you want to print. You can find it in your sidebar, your home, or your recent projects, whichever is easiest for you. Click the project to open it. Before you print, make sure the timeline content you want is visible on screen. If your timeline spans many months, consider adjusting what's visible so the printout reflects the exact slice of time you need. Permissions matter here too. You'll need access to view the project in order to print it. Now look toward the top of the project window for the action menu. Depending on your layout, this appears near the project name as a menu with 3 dots or a similar More Actions button. Click that to open the project actions. In the menu that appears, find the option labeled Export or Sync. Inside that section, select Print. This tells Asana to prepare a print-friendly version of what you're currently viewing. Asana will generate a preview and hand things off to your browser's print dialog. When that window appears, confirm that everything looks right. If you want the timeline to stretch across the page more clearly, switch your layout to landscape. You can also adjust scale or margins if your browser offers those controls. If you're sharing digitally, choose Save as PDF instead of a physical printer, and pick a clear file name so teammates recognize which project and time frame it represents. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Print to confirm. Your timeline will now be printed or saved, exactly as you saw it on screen. If the print feels too crowded or cuts off tasks, try zooming your browser out slightly before starting the print process or narrowing the visible date range in the project so the key milestones fit comfortably. That's all it takes. Open Asana, choose your project, use the Actions menu to find Export or Sync, select Print, and confirm in your browser. You now have a clean timeline you can share in meetings, attach to reports, or archive for documentation.